Okay, so I have a very large sheet that goes down several hundred thousand rows, and I'm trying to fill series without dragging. So this is my attempt: 1,000, and this is going to be 1,001, 1,002. I could schlep it down, but that's not feasible for the amount of rows that I have. So I'm going to try to use the row. Let's see if it's going to work. I'm going to do from 1,000 plus row. In this case, it's going to be 1,002. I'm going to fix it in a second. So I chose this cell, this row. And then the A just to fix it. Okay. So it's working, but I have to schlep it onto the whole column. And I'm going to do this with 99. And I'm going to copy it over with Control+Enter. That's it. And sure enough, it went down to 236,000 rows. Thanks for watching.